What's going on, YouTube? This is our 2021 Turbo S 4-seat, and today we're gonna be changing the stock exhaust system out for a custom DIY MagnaFlow exhaust. So I'm gonna be turning it on now so you guys can hear the stock exhaust system. Let's see where the keys are at. Has a little bit of a thump to it because I had removed the catalytic converter. So I'm going to I'm gonna go ahead and remove this exhaust. Once I finish installing it, I'll get back to you guys. So to remove the plastic cover, you're gonna need a T40 Torx. Here it is. Let's get to it. There's one. There's the second one. There's another one down here. Just loosen them, start taking them off by hand. It's a pretty easy process. They reuse this one. Once you remove the plastic cover, this is what's gonna be next. So now we're gonna have to remove these two screws. Loosen up there's one spring here. There's gonna be a second spring down here, and that's gonna be it. And I'll get back to you. So once you remove, use a 13mm, 10mm, and there's this spring, second spring. Take this off. This is what you get. And so you take this off or leave it. If you're gonna put the plastic back on, the plastic cover, you leave these on. So once you take the exhaust system off, you gotta take these brackets off. There's 4 brackets, so you can mount your aftermarket exhaust system or your DIY exhaust system. So this is what a custom or DIY MagnaFlow exhaust muffler looks on a Turbo S. So you still got the factory mounting points, factory springs, locations. The only thing we don't have is the plastic cover now. Now I'm gonna turn it on and see how it sounds. See, moment of truth.